Let's step into the enchanting world of gemstones as we explore one of nature's true masterpieces, known for its luxurious, velvety purple hue and mesmerizing crystal formations. Amethyst has captivated the hearts and minds of people around the world for centuries. From ancient Egypt to medieval Europe, this gemstone has been cherished not only for its beauty, but also for its mystical properties, believed to be a stone of protection, spiritual wisdom, and inner peace. Amethyst has adorned the crowns of royalty, sat upon the altars of mystics, and enhanced the lives of. But what is it about amethyst that makes it so magical? Amethyst is a gemstone unlike any other, with its breathtaking purple hue, captivating the hearts of many. Its unique beauty has made it a popular choice for jewelry and ornamental pieces, but there's so much more to this stunning gem than meets the eye. One of the biggest misconceptions about amethyst is that it's a rare and super expensive gemstone. I mean, who hasn't heard that amethyst is only for the rich and famous, right? But the truth is, amethyst is actually relatively affordable compared to other precious gems. And while it's true that high-quality amethyst can be pricey, there are plenty of more affordable options out there. Another misconception is that amethyst is only used in jewelry, when in fact, it has a rich history of being used in decorative items like vases and figurines, and even in healing practices. We also tend to think that amethyst is just a pretty face, but it has some amazing properties that make it really special. For example, amethyst is actually a type of quartz, which makes it one of the hardest gemstones out there. And did you know that amethyst is often used in alternative therapies to promote calmness and clarity of mind? Yeah, it's pretty cool stuff. But despite all these amazing facts, amethyst still doesn't get the recognition it deserves. So, what makes amethyst so special, and why do people love it so much? Well, one reason is that amethyst has been prized for centuries for its beauty and its perceived spiritual properties. In ancient Greece, for example, amethyst was believed to protect its wearer from drunkenness, while in some African cultures, it's thought to bring good luck and prosperity. Amethyst has also been used in jewelry for centuries, with many famous historical figures, like Queen Elizabeth II, donning amethyst-encrusted pieces. As we delve deeper into the world of amethyst, we start to uncover its fascinating geological history. Amethyst is formed when quartz crystals are exposed to high temperatures and pressures deep within the Earth's crust. This process can take millions of years, which is why high-quality amethyst is so rare and valuable. And did you know that amethyst is often found in volcanic rocks, which is why it's sometimes associated with fire and passion? One of the most captivating aspects of amethyst is its role in modern wellness practices. Many people believe that amethyst has a calming effect on the mind and body, and it's often used in meditation and energy healing. Some even believe that amethyst can help to absorb and transmute negative energy, promoting a sense of balance and harmony. Whether or not you believe in its metaphysical properties, there's no denying that amethyst has a powerful presence that can inspire and uplift. In many spiritual traditions, amethyst is associated with the third eye, which is said to be the seat of intuition and higher consciousness. It's believed to help quiet the mind and promote a sense of inner wisdom, which is why it's often used in meditation and spiritual practices. Amethyst is also associated with the planet Jupiter, which is said to bring good fortune and abundance. As we explore the magical allure of amethyst, we start to realize just how special this gemstone really is. From its stunning beauty to its rich history and cultural significance, amethyst is a true treasure. Whether you're drawn to its calming energy or its associations with luxury and sophistication, amethyst is a gemstone that has something to offer everyone. So, what makes amethyst so special? For me, it's the way it combines beauty, history, and spirituality in a way that's both captivating and inspiring. Whether you're a gemstone enthusiast, a spiritual seeker, or just someone who appreciates beauty, amethyst has something to offer. Amethyst's history is rich with myth and legend. The ancient Greeks believed that this stone held the power to prevent intoxication, often carrying amulets of amethyst to avoid the negative effects of wine. In fact, the word amethyst comes from the Greek word amethystos, meaning not intoxicated. This association with clarity and sobriety is just one example of the attributes linked to this gemstone. Over the years, amethyst has been considered a protector against not only drunkenness, but all forms of excess and negativity, helping those who wear it to maintain a clear mind and balanced emotions. This grounding power has made it a favorite for spiritual seekers and healers alike. Beyond its mythical past, amethyst has a deep connection to the world of healing and well-being. Many believe that amethyst has the ability to calm the mind, promote inner peace, and relieve stress. Its soothing energy is thought to quiet an overactive mind and ease tension, making it an ideal stone for meditation and relaxation. In crystal healing, amethyst is often called the stone of spirituality, due to its reputed ability to enhance intuition and connect individuals to higher consciousness. For those seeking emotional clarity or relief from anxiety, amethyst offers a gentle, comforting energy that helps restore balance and foster a sense of inner strength. One of the reasons amethyst is so highly regarded is its versatility in spiritual practices. This gemstone is known to enhance one's meditation experience by promoting focus and inner stillness. Placing amethyst near your meditation space is believed to help open the third eye, connecting the mind to spiritual insight and clarity. Some even consider amethyst to be a gateway stone that deepens spiritual connection, bridging the physical and spiritual realms. Its calming, transcendental energy is often sought out by those who wish to tap into their intuition or find guidance in their spiritual journey. The beauty of amethyst isn't only from a geological perspective. Its rich, purple color is the result of iron impurities and irradiation, a combination that makes each stone unique. Amethyst's crystal structure creates stunning natural formations, from large geodes to delicate clusters, which have made it a beloved addition to jewelry and decorative pieces. Amethyst geodes, for example, are known to exude a powerful, grounding energy in homes and sacred spaces, bringing an aura of tranquility and elegance to any room. Throughout history, amethyst has also held its place as a gemstone of royalty. Emperors, kings, and queens have cherished it for its symbolism of power, wealth, and wisdom. In medieval Europe, it was seen as a stone that represented humility and piety, which is why it often adorned the rings of bishops and other high-ranking clergy. Even today, amethyst continues to hold its allure in royal collections and prestigious jewelry pieces, embodying a timeless elegance that speaks to its enduring appeal. Whether used as a healing stone, a decorative piece, or a symbol of royalty, amethyst continues to capture hearts and inspire awe. Its vibrant purple tones, combined with its spiritual significance, make it a stone of deep and enduring beauty. As we uncover the rich history and mystical attributes of amethyst, it's easy to see why it has been treasured throughout the ages. So, what draws you to amethyst? Is it the allure of its calming energy, the beauty of its color, or the promise of spiritual clarity? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to share your experiences with this incredible gemstone. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of amethyst. What do you think makes amethyst so special? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about gemstones and crystal healing, be sure to check out our next video on the magical properties of quartz, brought to you by Orisha Oasis TV.